Fertilizer application is one of the most important practices in agriculture, as it provides crops with the essential nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. By applying the right type and amount of fertilizers, farmers can improve soil fertility, increase crop yield, and ensure sustainable farming. In this discussion, we will explore the importance of fertilizer application, the different methods used, and how it contributes to successful crop production. Let us all be guided with the following questions as we go through with our discussion. Let's begin by asking, what is fertilizer? Fertilizer is a substance added to soil or plants to supply essential nutrients that help crops grow stronger and healthier. Now let's explore the different types of fertilizers. We have organic fertilizer like compost or manure. And for inorganic or chemical, we use urea and ammonium sulfate. Organic fertilizers improve soil structure, while inorganic fertilizers provide quick nutrients. Why is fertilizer important? Fertilizer is important because it replenishes nutrients in the soil, increases crop yield, and ensures healthy plant growth. Without it, soil may become exhausted and crops may not grow well.
To get the most out of your crops, you must understand three key factors: crop stage, soil needs, and nutrient type. Broadcasting spreads fertilizer across the entire field. Band placement applies nutrients directly near the root zone. Side dressing delivers nutrients directly to the roots. For lawns, top dressing ensures a healthy, even spread. Right method, right time. With foliar feeding, nutrients are absorbed directly through the leaves. Fertigation applies fertilizer directly through the irrigation water. From broadcasting to fertigation, applying the right method is key. Choose the right method for the right crop at the right time.
Farmers can apply fertilizer in several ways. First, broadcasting, spreading evenly across the field. Second, the band placement, placing fertilizer near the seed or plant roots. Third, foliar application, spraying nutrients directly on leaves. And side dressing, applying fertilizer beside growing plants. Finally, let's talk about safety. Fertilizers must be handled carefully. Wear gloves, avoid inhaling dust, and store them properly. Overuse can harm the environment and human health. Upang makapagbigay ng tamang dami ng sustansya sa halaman, kailangang matukoy muna ang eksaktong dami ng pataba na ilalagay. Ang rekomendasyon sa pataba ay karaniwang ipinapahayag sa mga sumusunod. Una, ang nitrogen para sa paglaki ng dahon at tangkay, ang phosphorus para sa matibay na ugat at mas maagang pamumulaklak, at ang potassium naman para sa tibay ng halaman at mas magandang kalidad ng bunga. Sa pamamagitan ng tamang sukat ng pataba, masisiguro ang balansing nutrisyon ng lupa at mas mataas na ani nang hindi nasasayang ang mga pataba o nasisira ang kapaligiran. Upang makuha ang tamang dami ng pataba na ilalagay, ginagamit ang formula na ito. Ang recommended rate ay ang dami ng sustansya na kailangan ng halaman, habang ang percentage of nutrient ay ang porsyento ng nutrisyon na taglay ng pataba. Sa pamamagitan ng formula, natutukoy ang eksaktong bigat ng pataba na dapat ilagay upang hindi sumobra o kulang ang nutrisyon ng lupa. We have here an example scenario. You have a field where the recommended fertilizer rate is 90, 60, and 30 per hectare. So you have three types of fertilizer available. the ammonium sulfate, which is 2000, ordinary superphosphate with 020, and muriate of potash 0060. So calculate the amount of each fertilizer material needed to meet the recommended NPK rate for the field, which is 90, 60, and 30. Here are the given data from the scenario. So we have recommended rate, which is 90, 60, and 30 per hectare. The available fertilizers are ammonium sulfate, ordinary superphosphate, and muriate of potash. Para sa bawat ektarya ng taniman, kailangan ng sumusunod. 450 kilo ng ammonium sulfate para sa nitrogen, 300 kilo ng ordinary superphosphate para sa phosphorus, and 50 kilo ng muriate of potash para sa potassium. Let's end the discussion with this reminder. Farming is more than just a task. It is a responsibility to nurture the land, sustain life, and secure the future. Every seed we plant, every fertilizer we apply, and every practice we follow is a step toward abundance and sustainability. With knowledge, patience, and dedication, we can cultivate not only healthy crops, but also hope and resilience for generations to come.